Hi everybody. Today is the 19th of March and I have some important messages for you. This is I'm sending you this short message about this time. It's the first time that all the people in the world in one lesson. All the people in the world, all the subconscious collective in one lesson. To move to the new or not. The corona is just the symptoms. If we find now a medicine for the corona, in 1 hour we will create something else. 6 months ago and also 20 years ago, I was speaking about that in the beginning of 2020, all the money will split different, all the economy will stop, all the material will be different. And now we create the material energy to push us. Even there is no material is just different density, but our spirit create the material energy to push us to be in the room, to be in the quarantine, to be isolated, not to touch anything, not to go to the work, not to go to games, not to do any hobbies, not to touch others, not to touch even the bills, that it's symbolic, all the last name of all the material, the money. Why we create that? To go inside and really to merge the part in us that begin this new world, and to trust the spirit and to change the spirit, because the last 26,000 years, and that's the topic, the last 26,000 years, we had a contact with what we do, with the material, not the intention. And now we move from what we do and contact with the material to contact with the spirit. Just people that will change the contact with their spirit will move to the new world. So don't fear from this amazing junction. I was talking about it all last year. Go see in YouTube. All last year I was talking about it. It's not that I'm a psychic and know the future, but it was clear that it's a new world. So people that will move with the spirit for the first time in their lifetimes will have money as a spirit, new life, fountain of youth, amazing life. People that they will fear from the fear and fear from the corona. Corona is just the symptoms. And fear from the corona and fear really to leave the contract of the material. I'm screaming. And to move to the contact with the spirit will not move to the new. So yes, we can take some amazing vitamins and our moringa and stuff and get some healing from far, yes. But the main work, first of all, it's to agree to learn to move from a contract of with the material to move to between contact between me and the spirit, and to merge the part in me that begin this amazing junction that all the world. So people that think that the corona is temporary, no, it's going to change the way we think, the way we trust, the way we work, the way we look, the way everything is going to change, everything, because the spirit will be different and the density that we call material will be different. We will feel different, the food, the vitamins, the house, the car, the money. We have, like I said 6 months ago, we will have relationship with ourselves, different relationship near every issue. So don't be afraid from this time. Use it. Don't worry about money and economy. It's just going to be different. It has to stop all the world to change the spirit, to change the relationship, to change the last name of all the material that we call money. So the money will split now differently between companies, between people, between families, between everything. And people that really will do the work we will feel amazing spiral of blessing and the principle of double, and like the first time it will be like the best celebration ever, ever. So it's very, very important not to fear from the fear. Of course, you can take some rescue remedy, you can work on yourself, use gua sha, use this time when you're isolated to do a lot of spirit things, not really killing, not healing and killing like other bullshit that teach you to save the others. Put yourself in the first priority and learn to think. In Hebrew, to think come from the word important. Use gua sha. Do some meditation with yourself. Go inside and agree to learn. Agree to learn to move from material contract to spirit contract. Put your spirit in the first priority. Put money in the second priority just to serve the spirit, and then you will see spiral of blessing. Because to guarantee that you will be in the safe side, not just safe side like survivor, safe side like really allowing the new, allowing the spiral of blessing, allowing now to be the leader of this the new splitting of the money, of the energy, of the material. So do the work. I don't know if I'm coming in May. If they allow me, I will come in May to New York. If not, I will see whenever I can. But people that need some work from far, with pleasure. And if not, just really use this quarantine and isolated to really do amazing work. Don't see the world through the reporter in TV. That's one dimension of fear. Use it, and go to yourself, and you will see that you will start to feel happiness that you never felt before. So this is a very, very important message that I'm giving you, because without moving and agree and your cooperation with your spirit, and don't wait that the corona will pass. It's not temporary. It's a new world, and you should איך אומרים? להתאים את עצמך.
Adjust yourself.
You have to adjust yourself to the new world. Adjust yourself to the new money. Adjust yourself to the new fountain of youth. Adjust yourself to the new relationship with the spirit. Adjust yourself to put yourself in the first priority. Because anyway, there are no outside reality, and you're not affected by others, and you not affect others, and all what you have is just relationship with yourself near others. So use this quarantine even to fix near your family. Not with them, near them. So I will try, I'm just shouting. I will try to send you from time to time like important message, how to allowing the new, and how to use this amazing isolated, because soon even in the United States you will not allowed to go out from the house. It's already in all Europe, it's from tomorrow here. So we create it, we need to use it. It's the best time. Yes, a lot of people, like I said long time ago, will have to give up, and it's not in Hebrew wholeness, it's for death, and it's a question of main soul and puzzles, and it's a new world. It's the best. It's the first time that we are the spirit people and all the people that I'm work with, that choose to be connected, that choose that the life will pass through them, that choose to lead this amazing freedom. So it means it's inside of you. So that's the time of the celebration. But wait, to celebrate, it's to go now and to really feel the part in you that create that. Every time you hear the news, you fear from economy, you fear to lose all your money, you fear. Don't worry, use it, the opposite. Remember, when the fear of death comes in, it means you have a chance for a fountain of youth. When you're cheap, it means you have a chance and an option to double the money that passes through you. It's always like that. Nothing comes from out. It depends on your awareness. So it's about time you will learn to think, not do. It's not about doing anything. That's the message for this week. I hope you will hear it a few times. Zagar? I hope you will hear it a few times. You will catch the delicate point, how really to use this amazing junction that all the people in the world are acting in this amazing show. Bye.